Explore the best gaming laptops of 2024, catering to every budget and gaming need. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or a high-end powerhouse, these top picks deliver exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and smooth gameplay without breaking the bank. From casual gamers to competitive players, there's a perfect laptop for everyone. With sleek designs, robust processors, and advanced graphics, these models promise an immersive experience that exceeds expectations. Check out these gaming laptops and elevate your gaming potential, no matter your budget. 5. Razer Blade 15. Enter the world of premium gaming with the Razer Blade 15. This sleek and powerful laptop is designed for gamers who demand top-notch performance. Featuring a 15.6-inch display with minimal bezels, it offers an impressive visual experience. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics card ensures high-quality visuals and smooth gameplay, while the Intel Core i7 processor provides rapid performance. Customize your gaming setup with RGB lighting and enjoy a responsive experience with the precise keyboard and touchpad. With ample storage and an advanced cooling system, the Razer Blade 15 merges performance with elegance. 4. Asus ROG Flow Z13. Experience cutting-edge gaming technology with the Asus ROG Flow Z13. This innovative device combines the power of a laptop with the flexibility of a tablet. Its 13-inch high-resolution display immerses you in every game. Equipped with the latest Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics, it delivers stellar performance. The sleek black design, customizable RGB lighting, and advanced cooling technology make it both stylish and practical. With a long battery life, the Asus ROG Flow Z13 offers uninterrupted gaming wherever you go. 3. Dell G15 5530. The Dell G15 5530 is crafted for gamers who seek high performance and style. It features a powerful Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, ensuring fast and smooth gameplay. The 15.6-inch FHD display offers vibrant visuals and a high refresh rate for fluid motion. Personalize your gaming experience with customizable RGB lighting and navigate with ease using the backlit keyboard and precision touchpad. With ample storage and a robust cooling system, the Dell G15 5530 is a versatile choice for both casual and serious gamers. 2. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Elevate your gaming with the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. This sleek laptop blends high performance with a stylish design. Its 14-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate delivers crisp and smooth visuals. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics, it handles demanding games effortlessly. The ultra-thin chassis and customizable RGB keyboard add a touch of sophistication to your setup. Perfect for any gamer, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 promises an enhanced and stylish gaming experience. 1. Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. The Lenovo Legion 5 Pro stands out as a top choice for serious gamers. With an AMD Ryzen processor, it offers lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. The 16-inch QHD display, complemented by NVIDIA GeForce graphics, provides stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. Its sleek design, customizable RGB keyboard, and advanced cooling system ensure a premium gaming experience. Enjoy hours of uninterrupted gaming and take your skills to the next level with the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, a true powerhouse for any gaming enthusiast.